For each part to be drawn and machined, I use dimensions, pictures and videos as references. I am lucky to have a lot of such data for this car, but I really needed to organize it for quicker reference. In this video I will show you my workflow for sorting the data. If you are a skilled modeler or designer who has to work with large libraries of data, you may come across some useful tips and tricks. Before starting the organizing process, I first made a backup copy of all files. There were more than 2,000, so I was up for a challenge. Then I made separate maps for modern photos, modern videos, 1927 photos and other stuff. The other stuff consists of know-how, photos of before and after 1927, literature, measurements and so on. All of this other stuff was sorted. Next, the 1927 photos. Mainly using the Delage Champion du Monde book by Daniel Cabat, I arranged all photos by race, then by driver, then chronologically during the race insofar possible. For example, here you can see driver Robert Benoit in his car number 6 before the race, at the start, during the race, at the finish line and during honoring. Next are the pictures of André Morel, etc. All pictures of all races that I could find in books, articles and online were gathered, scanned and copied, then arranged as said. In the end I got a chronological overview of the racing year 1927 for Delage. Then I made separate maps for the modern time pictures. I subdivided the car into 11 parts: right front, right center, right rear, left rear, body, engine, interior, wheels and distance views. Picture by picture a choice was made to copy it into one or more maps. For example, this picture was copied into 3 maps: left front, engine and wheel. Slowly but surely the 11 maps were filled. Using the same indexing, I arranged restoration pictures and drawings. As all 6 cars are very different, the photos were ordered per car. Even the photographs of the left front part of the car were very diverse, so now it was time to subdivide them even further into front, center, rear, inner side and wheel views. The engine photos were even subdivided into 8 categories, named North, Northeast, West, etc., named after their primary points of focus. Finally, all videos were sorted into all above mentioned categories, save the last one. I simply selected all parts of all videos dealing with one focus point, for example the rear left of the car, and I pasted them into one large video. To facilitate browsing through the maps, a system of hashtags and numbers was used. At the beginning of each submap there is the video, whose file name starts with one hashtag. Then there are drawings and schematics, whose file names start with 2 hashtags. Then the copied 1927 photos, 3 hashtags. Next, the restoration pics, starting with a 0. Finally, all modern time photos, starting with their respective location numbers. For example, in the map front right, there is a photo named 1.1.3.img 8241. That means 1 for front right, 1 for chassis 1, 3 for rear part of front right, and the original file name. Here you see some thumbnails of photos of the same category. Next, I'll be reprising my Fusion 360 drawing work. That wraps up this video log. If you encounter any problem regarding the issues discussed in this video log, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this vlog.